Hello there, let's talk today about how to reset the Zosi camera. As you can see, this model is the Zosi C518. Let's say, for example, you lost your password, want to reset the camera. You just need to use a button that's just right here. Let me just show you. So if you move the camera that way, you can see a reset button just right here, okay? So as you can see, the camera is connected to power. I have the power supply back there, and then I just need to press and hold this button. So let me just press and hold, wait for the message.
Reset successful.
Okay, and now the camera says that the reset is successful, and then you just need to use your app and add the camera again. The camera is going to reboot, okay? Then you just need to use the Zosi Smart app that you can download from your store. Works for Android and also for Apple. Just click here, open. Here you need to...
Device waiting for connection.
Okay, so as you can see, it's waiting for connection. Let me just remove the old one from here. So I just click here in the gear sign and remove this device because it's no longer working. Then I can add the camera again, okay? So I just click here in the plus signal, and I need to use this QR code scanning here. Just put the camera there and it's good to go. Then I just click here, connect. Let me just click, here we go. Next. Then I select my Wi-Fi network. Select next again, confirm my Wi-Fi. And now it's time to scan the QR code. So I take this, point to the camera, that way the camera is going to read it.
Wireless configuration successful.
Okay.
Wireless connecting. Please wait.
Just click here, next, confirm, and now
wireless connection successful.
Okay, so it's connected, and I'm good to go, okay? Pretty easy, just name the camera, click confirm, and I'm good to go. Let me just put the camera here so we can see that's working. Click here to see live image from the camera, and I'm good to go, okay? So it's basically working there, as you can see. I can select this and move the camera that way if I want to, right? Let me just show you that the camera is moving back there, as you can see. Pretty good, okay? So it's working, and that's the way you can reset your Zosi camera. This is the Zosi C518. Okay, you can just press the button, hold it, and reset it, right? If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.